Many people ask, what happened when it rains on the Slingshot? Don't you have a cover for it? Well, just so you know, rain won't really do anything to it. The whole vehicle is marine grade material, so you can wet the seats, the electronics, the dashboard. You can really get into it. Of course, you're not putting a lot of water pressure. I wouldn't use a pressure washer. But this is not going to ruin your Slingshot. Right? Everything's nice and sharp. So now we'll come in here. Oh, this is tight. There we go. See if things light up. Hey, voila, they do. Okay, no issues whatsoever.